How to change Gemini to Google Assistant. Hey Google, or if you press the side button, then you can see your Gemini is enabled. Hey Google, Gemini. So how to change it to a Google Assistant? Then go to your setting, go to Google, make sure you are logged into with your Gmail account, press on this icon and go to settings, and under settings you can see the Google Assistant. Go to Google Assistant, sorry, then scroll down, then you can see the digital asset from Google. Select this one. Now you have to select Google Assistant, press on switch. Now if you press the side button, then you can see Google Assistant is okay. Or if you say hey Google, then you can see Google Assistant is enabled. Now even if you lock your phone, hey Google, hey Google, tell me a joke. Hey Google. For Google Assistance, you need to open your phone folder. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.